All right, so to figure out the linear function rule, we first have to examine the relationship between the values in the table. So for A, I'm going to do that. Okay, so my change from each of my y, so as I go from 6.5 to 13, that's a difference in, that's a difference in 6.5. Okay, and as I go from 13 to 19.5, again, a difference of 6.5. And as I go from 19.5 to 26, again, a difference from 6.5. And you'll see that the difference in all of my x values is 1. Okay, so to find the slope, that's the y divided by the x. So 6.5 divided by 1 is just 6.5. So when we put that into function notation, our slope is 6.5. Okay, slope is always attached to the x. And we are going to find what our b value is. Okay, so in order to do that, we can use any ordered pair. I'm going to specifically use 2 and 13 because those are both actual whole numbers and I don't have to think about halves or anything like that. So when x is 2, y is 13. F of x is just a fancy word of saying y. So I'm going to put 13 there. So 13 is equal to 6.5. My value for x is 2. We're going to figure out what b is. Okay, 6.5 times 2 is 13. When I take away 13 from each side, okay, I get 0. So 0 is equal to b. All right, what does that mean? Well, f of x is equal to mx plus b. We found our slope m, which is 6.5. Okay, our b is 0, so that means it intercepts the y-axis when y is 0. So we just write it like this. F of x is equal to 6.5x. And since it's plus 0, we're done. So this is the answer for the first one. Okay. Now for the second one, I'll use green. So the change in y, so right from here to here, 1 to 4, we're adding 3. From 4 to 7, we're adding 3. From 7 to 10, we're adding 3. And again, from 1 to 2, we're adding 1. 2 to 3, we're adding 1. 3 to 4, we're adding 1. So you'll see the slope, which is the y divided by the x, so 3 divided by 1. So the slope is 3. So f of x is equal to the slope times x plus the y-intercept, which we don't know, right? So now I'm going to choose an ordered pair. Let's use 1, 1. Simple enough. So when I do that, my y is 1 and my x is also 1. Okay, so 1 is equal to 3 plus b. I take away 3 from each side, and I'm left with -2 is equal to b. So -2 is equal to b. So my equation is f of x is equal to our slope, which is 3 times x, and then our y-intercept is -2. So in the black, f of x is equal to 3x minus 2. So that is our answer for number 2.